Hey guys, I am excited to share with you about our upcoming Ketogenic lifestyle workshop that's coming up on October 13th at 11 a.m. This workshop is online. Keto has become a huge thing in the last couple years, really blowing out. And when these things kind of happen, sometimes there's misinformation that may be shared or things on how to do correctly. And in this workshop, what I really want to share with you is how to live a ketogenic lifestyle. You see, I've been doing ketogenic, otherwise back then known as high-fat diet, for over 10, 11 years now. And so there's a lot of mistakes I made. There's a lot of things I learned along the way. There's a lot of the biochemistry and what the things you need to do in order to really maximize your experience, and also more importantly though, maximize your health when it comes to following the ketogenic lifestyle. So I'll be sharing simple techniques, simple equations, simple processes, how you can maximize and truly achieve the ketogenic lifestyle as we go through this workshop. It should last about 40 to 45 minutes, so please plan ahead. But also, click below, RSVP. If you happen to miss the workshop, we're going to have a 48-hour replay, but you have to register for the workshop. If you miss the registration and forget about it, we will not be extending that. So make sure you RSVP so you can get to check out the ketogenic workshop that's coming up on October 13th at 11 a.m. I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and trust me, it's going to be a very simple process, and you're going to get all that you need to know about the ketogenic lifestyle. So looking forward to seeing you there. Until then, be well, live well. The choice is yours.